Okay. Okay, so, and here, if you look here, you will see that stomata are usually open during the day. Stomata are usually open during the day and closed at night. Yeah, like you open your mouth and you close it. Yeah, same the cell stomata. It usually closed during the day, open during the day and closed at night. Stomata will close if the air is too dry, if no water in the air, right? If the air is too dry, or hot, very hot, to minimize water loss through evaporation. Evaporation like a stem, yeah, evaporate. So it protects, stomata protects leaf from getting dry. If it protects leaves from getting dry. Yeah, when it's very cold, it's when the air is very dry, it closes, right? Or it's if very hot also, that it protects the plant, the leaf, from the evaporation of water. The opening and closing of stomata is controlled by gourd cells, like gourd, yeah, gourd cells. The gourd cells here, you see, that one is the gourd cell. Gourd, like a security, yeah, security, like our security opens the door and closes the door, yeah. So same, stomata has the security cells, gourd cells, they call them, right? It also controls when the stoma should be open and when the stoma should be closed. Okay, that one is a closed stoma. During the night it closed, and during the day, night time it closed, because no sunlight and no the air is quite hot, so that's why it closed. And during the day the stoma is open, right? So the gourd cell open it. Okay, good. Stomata also play an important role in transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water from plants as water vapor, yeah, evaporation. It occurs when the stomata are open, evaporates. The water turns into gas, like into stem, into gas, and it evaporates. And result, more water will be drawn up from the roots by xylem to replace the lost water. Yeah, so here you see, so water absorbed by roots, so then water travels through xylem, through the stem, and water evaporates from stomata, right? Evaporates, going out, yeah, evaporates, turns into gas and going out through stomata. Different plants have leaves of different shapes and sizes. Some leaves are broad and flat, some leaves are small and narrow. Here are some examples, right, of leaves, like banana leaf, tomato leaves, leaves of pine tree, right? So they have needle-like leaves. Okay, good. So, and now I would like you to watch a movie, not a movie, sorry, a video. To watch a movie. I miss the movies. A long time I didn't watch movies. That's why maybe I want to watch a movie. Okay. All right, let's watch a video. Just tell me if you cannot hear the sound. If you cannot hear the sound, just tell me. Yeah, let's do this. Okay. Can you hear the sound, guys?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, good, good. So
Yes.
here we have structure and functions of leaves, right? Structure, we will watch about structure and functions of leaves.
Leaf and its structure. Most of you would have drawn a leaf somewhat similar to this leaf here. This simple drawing says a lot about the shape and structure of a leaf.
So here at the end of this model, right, when you watch this video, you will know to identify the different parts of a leaf, explain the functions of a different parts of a leaf, identify the different arrangements of leaves and on the stem.
The surface of a leaf is flat and is called the leaf blade or lamina. It is green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. The large lamina allows to the leaf to absorb sunlight, water, and air for the plant. Now let us use a magnifying glass to look closer at this leaf. Can you see a thick line running through the center? This is the main vein or midrib of the leaf. You can also see many smaller veins originating from the main vein. Veins help to carry water, minerals, and food up and down the leaf.
You see? Here, these tiny, tiny lines in the leaf, they called veins. Like we have veins in our body, like to carry the blood. So here the veins, like our veins, same function, but they carry water. They carry water through the leaf. Okay.
The main vein extends into the stalk that helps to attach the leaf to the stem. It helps to conduct water and food between the leaf and the stem. If we look at the leaf under a microscope, we will see numerous tiny pores on the lamina. These pores or openings are called stomata. They are present in large numbers on the lower surface of the leaf.
You see, as I told you that these cells you can just see through the microscope. Yeah, if you look through the microscope, you will see the stomata. That these are the cells which are the openings on the surface of the leaf, like our mouth. Yeah, like our mouth. Same, the leaf has many mouths, right, to capture carbon dioxide and to release oxygen.
Stomata help in exchange of gases with the environment. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide enters the leaf and oxygen goes out.
You see, carbon dioxide enters the leaf and oxygen comes out. Like we breathe, so same like but we breathe oxygen and we release carbon dioxide. But the plant makes the different function. They breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Yeah. So, but we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, right? We have different process, but the plant has a backward process. Okay, good. So that's why just like we use mouth right? We use mouth to breathe in and breathe out. Same leaves, but the plant, but they have stomata to breathe in and breathe out.
The leaves are arranged on the stem in a specific way so that they can absorb the maximum amount of sunlight for photosynthesis. The arrangement of leaves on the stem of a plant is called phyllotaxy. When each leaf arises from a separate node on the stem, the leaves are said to be arranged in an alternate manner. When two leaves arise from a single node, but in the opposite direction, they are said to be arranged in an opposite manner. Sometimes more than two leaves arise from the same node and wrap around the stem. The arrangement is called a whorl. Isn't it amazing to see how well planned the leaf structure is?
You see, so the leaf surface is well, it calls lamina, right? So that the green smooth surface lamina, right? And these lines on the leaf, they are called main vein. So this one is the main vein, and it has many small veins. And also the main vein is connected to the stalk, through the stalk to the stem. Yeah, connected through the stalk to the stem. And also it helps just to make a transportation, right? So the stalk provides the transportation of water from the stem, and in a back way it transports sugar to the stem. Yeah, so and that one is the process of life. Yeah, so making food and the life process of a plant. Okay, so that's all. Is it clear about the structure of a leaf for you?
Yes.
Yes. So very, very important, very important just to know that the leaf has stomata. Yeah, through the stomata, it can breathe in and breathe out. Yeah, that these are tiny cells which we can see only through the microscope. Okay, and also the stomata play an important role in transpiration. So the transpiration of water. Transpiration is the loss of water from plants as water vapor, right? It controls the amount of water inside the plant. Yeah, so the stoma controls the amount of water inside the plant. All right, so that one is very, very important to know. Okay, so great. And for your homework, I would like you to read about the structure of leaves once again, because some of those questions you will have in your midterm test about structure of leaves and about function of leaves, right? So better to read it again for you. Just don't close the book and don't forget it. You have to open the book again and read it again, everything what we have learned today. And the next lesson gonna be on Monday, and we start to talk about flowers itself, the structure of a flowers. It's a it's quite complicated, a lot of new vocabulary you will know. You will get a lot of new vocabulary. All right, so unfortunately our time is over and we have to stop here because you have to get time for to rest, and we will meet again in 20 minutes. Do you have any questions, guys?
No.
Is everything clear for you?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great.
Bye.
So then
Bye.
see you in 20 minutes. See you in 20 minutes. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Teacher Lana.
Next lesson is
Bye
on.
bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye.